Hey family, today we are doing a quick and easy meal. What is it that you ask? It is some easy and simple teriyaki chicken. So it's very simple. Anybody can do it. These are the ingredients that I'm using today. So stay tuned and let's get into this video. Okay, so I have already washed my chicken and cut them into cubes, and I have them laid out on a tray on some paper towel because they have to dry a little bit. And while it's doing that, I am going to go ahead and cut up my peppers and my onions so we can get this thing started. So now it is time for us to season the chicken. So the seasonings that I'm using today is kosher salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. You are more than welcome to season your chicken with whatever you like to season it with. I don't use that much seasoning when I do teriyaki chicken because the flavor is actually going to be coming from the sauce that we put on it. So that's why I don't need that much season, but you do what you want to do with yours. So I'm adding a little bit of cornstarch right here, and what we're going to do is put some oil in the pans and saute the vegetable in one pan, and then we're going to start cooking the chicken in the other. So while my vegetables are sauteing, I'm going to go ahead and start making my teriyaki sauce. What I use to make it is very simple. Some brown sugar, honey, and soy sauce. I do not measure. I just mix those three ingredients together, then give it a taste and see if I need to add more of one ingredient over the other. I tend not to use the store-bought teriyaki sauce because to me it's just too salty. If I do use it, I always dilute it with brown sugar. And now to my chicken that is almost done, I am going to add some minced garlic and some of the ginger paste. Keep in mind that ginger is quite strong, so you don't want to be so heavy on the ginger. But what I had to do, because I had so much chicken and it created more liquid in the pot, I had to go ahead and drain that off so it wouldn't compromise my teriyaki sauce and make it too watery. So what you're going to see is the a clean pan, because I drained the liquid off of the chicken and had to put it back in the pot. So here's what I was talking about. So I put a little bit more oil in the pan just so this chicken wouldn't stick. And I'm going to put the chicken back in the pot, free of all the liquid that it created, the juices and whatnot. And I'm going to add my vegetables in and then my sauce. One part that did not, I thought I was recording, but it wasn't, is I put a little bit of teriyaki sauce and cornstarch in a bowl and mixed that together, and I poured it into the pan so that it would thicken up a little. So that part you won't see, but just letting you know that's what I did so the sauce could get a little bit thicker. So after it being covered for about 10 minutes or so, I added the sesame seeds in and also added the cornstarch and soy sauce mixture, and it's gotten a little thicker and it is all done, y'all. This is how you want it to look. You can serve this over rice. I served it over jasmine rice and enjoy it like that. So if y'all like this video, just let me know down below in the comments and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.